What's web hosting? When you buy web hosting from a company, it provides name servers, which is the address of that remote computer or server. Behind the scenes, these name servers actually point to the IP address of that remote computer or server. And at the domain registrar's end, you enter these name servers in DNS management of your domain so that your domain points to that remote computer or server. Then when you approach web developer and designer to develop and design your website, web developers and designers design and develop your website by coding. And these coded files are then transferred over internet to pointed remote computer or server at data center. And whenever the visitor types website address in their browser, request is sent to that remote computer at data center. And the remote computer listens to the request and responds by transferring website files such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to the visitor's computer. And then the rendering engine incorporated in visitor's web browser renders the website or web application in the browser. Basically, it's the communication over internet between the visitor's computer called client and the remote computer receiving the request and serving the response called server. And this remote computer or server hosting the website is called web hosting. Well, you can ask me, can't I host my website on my very own computer? Well, you can do so, but keep these 6 things in mind. One among the 6 being expert monitoring. Your computer needs constant monitoring. You should be able to fix the issues if anything goes wrong. Expert monitoring at data center. Data center hosting or paid hosting comes packed with dedicated expert monitoring teams watching things 24/7 and will fix the issues in short time if anything goes wrong. And their technical support team is available 24/7 to assist clients through chat, email, and phone. Internet and bandwidth. You will need uninterrupted internet connection, and depending on your type of internet connection, your internet service provider may impose restrictions, such as blocking port 80. Usually business class or commercial grade internet is free from restrictions. You'll have to find out these from your ISP or internet service provider. You'll also need static IP address. Static IP address is issued by your ISP on chargeable basis or for a recurring fee. You'll also need a good internet bandwidth to handle or accommodate all your internet traffic. Internet and bandwidth at data center. Paid hosting servers are connected to uninterrupted business class internet with good bandwidth. To handle and accommodate huge internet traffic, and upgrades are click away to scale along with growth. Uptime. Your computer should be up and running 24/7 to keep your website available. Here's a tip for you. You may watch out busy hours of your website and give your computer a tiny break or rest in non-busy hours. But make sure your website traffic is served most of the time. Uptime at data center. Most of the paid hosting services promises 99.9% uptime. Security. Security is most vital thing. You should equip your computer with strong firewall and malware scanning tools to keep hackers or intrusions away. Security at data center. Paid hosting service is equipped with strong firewalls and malware scanners to keep their servers ensured and secure. Scalability. You should be able to increase hardware resources such as RAM, hard disk, etc., and also internet bandwidth if your internet traffic is consuming all of the available resources to scale along with your growing traffic. Scalability at data center. Paid hosting service provides upgrades on click. You can upgrade your hosting package anytime so that allocated resources fulfill your website needs. Costs. Just calculate the cost of running your own web server and check if the cost of running your own web server is less than the cost you pay for paid hosting service. Costs when you pay to data center. Paid hosting service comes wrapped with expert monitoring, good internet and bandwidth, 99.9% uptime, and great deal of security and scalability. Just check the cost you are paying to paid hosting service. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you think everything is manageable, you could host your website from your very own computer. And I'll leave some of the links of best hosting companies in the description box for your convenience. And I'll try making a video that shows how to host website from your very own computer. Stay tuned. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share. If you need more of such content, please do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you wouldn't miss any of my future uploads. Thanks a lot. This is Naresh Ramani. Bye bye.